Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah, yeah. Da 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 da. Yeah. Yeah, I wake up with skies. Time to take that flight. Yeah, checklist on my mind. Gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Yeah, discipline's the engine. Let it carry me tonight. Yeah, half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control. Plan trade ideas, let the vision unfold. No trades is a trade, that's the truth that I hold. Make every move count, yeah, that's how you grow. Flip back through the pages, yesterday in the log. HTF analysis, cutting through fog. Red folders on the calendar, I'm letting them pass. 5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, I wake up clear skies. Time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind. Gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Hey. Discipline's the engine. Let it carry me tonight. Yeah, ABC setups keep the risk on track. Helen my max and never giving it back. Don't let a runner get in front of the plan. Take the base hit, stack it up, that's the jam. Every trade gets a story journal line by line. Copy trader set, yeah, the system aligned. And before I hit the button, gotta stop, gotta wait. Look for reasons not to trade, that's how you elevate. It's patience, it's progress, it's lessons I learn. Every page in the journal makes the tables turn. From the pre-flight checks to the moment I play, I'm just grateful for the grind every single day. Yeah, I wake up clear skies. Time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind. Gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Discipline's the engine. Let it carry me tonight. Da 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 da. Yeah, I wake up with skies. Time to take that flight. Yeah, checklist on my mind. Gotta do it all right. Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside. Yeah, discipline's the engine. Let it carry me tonight. Yeah, half size when it's choppy, keep the risk in control.
All right, there we are.
Ideas, let the vision
What's up, y'all? What's up?
No trades is a
Good
trade,
morning,
that's the truth
everyone.
that I
Good
hold.
morning.
Make every move count, yeah, that's how you
Man,
grow.
we are moving
Flip
here.
back through the pages, yesterday in the log. HTF analysis,
We are pumping.
cutting through fog. Red
Right here, let me
folders on
fix
the
my
calendar,
screen.
I'm letting
What's
them
going on
pass.
here?
5 minutes from the open, now I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, I wake up clear skies.
There we go.
Time to take that flight. Checklist on my mind.
All right, let's see what's going on. What's going on here?
Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside.
Holy moly, guys! Volatile market.
Discipline's the engine. Let it
Very
carry
volatile
me
market.
tonight. Yeah, ABC setups keep the risk on track.
Oh, we are pumping
never
here.
giving it back.
All right, let's jump on these charts, guys. What's going on here? So powerful. Was there any news or something? I guess we had 8:30. That was an hour ago. Nice bullish move, guys. I caught good long from these lows down here. Let me get my screen better.
Lessons I learn. Every page in the journal makes the tables turn. From the pre-flight checks to the moment I play, I'm just grateful for the grind every single day. Yeah, I wake up clear skies. Time to take that flight.
Dude, this is crazy. Okay, I'm watching the tape here. Wow, big reaction up here. That was a huge wick.
Patience in the pocket, keep the future inside.
So, let me turn down the music too. Here we go. All right, guys, we're gonna lock in. We're gonna lock in. Keep it calm. We're gonna lock in. So I bought some Apex evals here. So I'm gonna be interested to sling these evals a little aggressively, trying to stack them up and pass them. Stack and pass. Pass and stack, I guess we should say pass and stack. What's up, Axel? Good morning, Lunamod. What's up, y'all? Guys, this long down here with the flip was really nice. I took it for the scalp. I actually also, since I was doing these Apex accounts, I took the scalp down here as well. So I took it here and then I took it here. Locked in 2 wins on that. So I bought these 5 accounts. I'm up on 3, down on 2. I'll just show you guys right here. So I hit the MLL on 2 of them, and I hit wins on these other ones. And I'm trying to just kind of scalp base hits and stack them up little by little. So I'm interested for reactions at my levels and watching the order flow, see what I can get here. Yeah. Interesting market. Yesterday, guys, I took a crazy trade. Yesterday. I held my trade through FOMC, and man, that was we have a short we're gonna release on it, so you guys can check it out. But man, it was wild, and I really didn't mean to. I thought FOMC was at 2:30, but I didn't realize the 2 o'clock data release that went along with it. So very, very sketch to be holding my personal account and my funded accounts through FOMC. But I mean, I guess it could have gone either way. That's what, at the end of the day, I'm like, man, that also, the DJ to me is like, that could have been a really nice trade too. You know, I'm like, dang, that could have been awesome. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna oh, music's still loud. Okay, hold on, my bad. I know, I think it's better now. Yeah, so I was like, yeah, it could have been an awesome trade too. So who knows? Whatever. I kind of threw the dice and lived to tell the story. So that's kind of cool. So look at this. We are coming right back down after that opening print. I'm watching my order flow up here because with these Apex accounts, I want to scalp, but I want interaction with my key levels. So I'm going to leave this chart on here, and I want interactions with my previous day point of control, this previous day value area low. Also, we can look at the VWAP trade here. So we're going to look for the VWAP, and we have 15 minutes though for the opening range to be set. So I'm going to wait for that opening range here. And other than that, I think we're going to be locked in. So for this trade, I'm doing the FundedNext accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and get those FundedNext accounts ready to go. Wow, look at it's coming back down here. FundedNext, where are you? Right here. Okay. So I'm going to turn on my group, 5 accounts ready to go. Okay. Wow, look at this all the way back down to the London opening range high. Man, I almost want to try to long it. So let's see what we get here. I'm going to look for the VWAP trade. Okay, right down here to these VWAPs. I almost want to long that. Which account do I want to use? Number 31. Let's see how we react down here. Wow, look at that. Keep going, keep going. Boom. So we need to wait. I'm going to wait for this opening range. We have a huge opening range now. Look at that. Crazy. So we got 10 more minutes for the opening range to be set. We have one of my levels down here, so I'm interested for this level. So let's see as we get down here. I might want to find that long still. Kind of holding this opening range low. Wow, that's actually quite the little sell-off there after that pump. Isn't that wild? Take it straight up and then right back down. Wow, look at that. Dude, longs just got totally cooked. Look at that. Okay, so here's where I'm looking for my reaction from. It's 42.50. 42.50. I might just put a limit here. Okay, right here. Okay, I'm going to see what we can get. Even a couple $100 or something. Okay, I'm out. I just stacked 100 and something on it. So that's what I'm talking about with the scalps that I'm going to try to be better at is like see this level here and just take my first test of it reaction instead of doing my candle closes. And try to stack that multiple times throughout the day, stack 500 to $1,000 type of thing. So 500 is probably the safer bet for me to try to lock it up there and just move on. Okay, so you can see here, I'll show you guys the account. So I took this trade, I took it on, I took this level here at the single print level. I took previous day mid twice, and then I just took previous day mid again, right? So you can see my orders on it for these scalps. So I'm up 600 right now, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, that was just an ad. So 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Well, 5 trades, 5 trades, 5 trades all around the same level. And so that's up $600. So that's kind of how I'm going to trade these Apex evals for now. And it's kind of just for fun to just kind of switch it up. And we are still at that level right now. So it's like, do I take it again? Do I watch? Well, it's selling pretty hard. I think I'm just going to do that first test. So I'm not going to get back in it here. So what I am going to wait for, though, is my plan setups. This one was really nice. I'm going to have to wait for another 30-minute candle for that. That one played out really nice. I only took it in the evals, though. So I didn't take it in any fundits. And any other trades I like? Well, if we retest these lows, maybe here. Maybe down lower. And this area here, I actually prefer it for the long. Okay, so we got short, previous day high. We have long, previous day low. I'm interested in the long as well of previous day value area low and previous day mid, PDM, and plus previous day value area low. And then long fib extension. All right, so I'm going to lock in and wait for my trades. This opening print isn't my vibe here. This one was actually pretty good at 7:30. So I am actually kind of interested in scalping this again. Let's see if we can hold here. Otherwise, I'm going to quickly try to get out. If we can't hold here, I'm gonna trail my stop up. There we go. Come on, there we go. Nope. Man, I had it. Okay, I'm locking in the win. There we go. Oh, come on, lock it in. There we go. Locking in at least 100. There we go, 200. And I'm out. Boom. So same level again. Here, let me set up so I can get let's just get the Ninja Trader up. I don't know if it's gonna work. Nope, it's not working. Okay, hold on. I gotta reset it. There we go. There we go. So I took it again, all the same level, all buys here, up 800 on that. We're kind of still holding it though. I might take it again. If we don't hold it though, I'm gonna just cut it. Like I want to hold right here. I want to hold. Otherwise, I want to be quick out. I don't want to lose it. I'm trying to take at least $100 though, just to have a something to stop me from being too emotional about it. Oh, we're struggling now. Okay, these buyers are getting. We're holding below them. Come on now. There we go. I'm just gonna take it. I know I didn't hold it how I said I would, but I don't care. I'm just stacking these little hits on it. So back to this chart. I'm trying to remember how much these accounts are right now before I decide on how many I'm willing to blow. So hope everyone's having a wonderful day. How are you guys feeling about this week, about FOMC, about trading? I'm very excited for a long weekend. I am going to be traveling though, so it's going to be pretty crazy. All right, I'm trying to see how much the 5-pack is with the code. Right now, code Luna will get you the best deal. And let's see. Okay, 195. That's what it was. 195. So 195 divided by 5, $39. All right, so I'm gonna buy one more set of 5-pack. Well, it's cheap. All right, I got one more end of day. So I'm going to try not to play the same level too many times. Like I'm trying to go for that first test. What's up, Neural, Everbest, Balaji, Axel? What's up, y'all? So we are kind of still holding here, so I'm definitely not going to try to take this trade again too quickly here. And looking at my other charts, let's see what's going on. Dude, are my charts like frozen? Yeah, some of my charts are frozen. This is very weird. Oh, I see why. On my other platform, I need to update my contract. It still says M6. All right, so I'm switching, making sure I'm on all the September contracts because I forgot to do it on my 5-minute charts that I keep on the side of Atos. So NQU6. NQU6. All right, so I'm going to make sure to save because that's what happened. I didn't save last time. So I'm going to save my workspace. Oop. Save. Done. All right, sweet. So that fixes that. I was a little confused. Back down to the single prints. Back down to these single prints. It's looking a little bearish right now. I want to try to stay out though for the moment. We're at this previous day low. NQ holding this previous day mid right now. I mean, sorry, point of control. Previous day point of control. These candles with the big tails here, the takeout candles, these are really the best for my strat. I mean, this one worked too. What's up, Cheems? Good morning. Guys, I'm super excited for London. Super excited for London. Three active orders. Uh-oh. How do we close all, flatten all? I gotta open NinjaTrader again. No, I'm not doing anything. I was longing the previous day low. I was just longing the previous day low. I did it like 6 times for little base hits. Is this an NY breakout? Not yet. So with the NY IB has not been set yet. Yeah. So we need to wait for an hour of the New York market. So that's in another 40 minutes. Oh, yeah, guys, we're going to do the Lucid giveaway tomorrow. You have to watch vlog 5 and follow the instructions. Watch vlog 5 and follow the instructions. Oh man, now Ninja Trader's not moving. Maybe it's because my connection isn't there. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, now it's just taking a while to connect. There we go. Okay, we're connected. We're connected. I got some more Apex accounts too. Guys, so sign up for the, and we're gonna run a lot of giveaways. So you got to follow the instructions and you get extra entries once you sign up. You don't have to buy anything. All right, let's look at this, guys. I almost forgot. We got the opening range. Am I gonna miss my trade? Shoot. Where's the New York VWAP? Why don't I see the New York VWAP on this? Oh, that is the New York VWAP. Holy moly. Oh, no way. Okay, so I'm looking for a candle close above this. We have about a 20-point stop, so 18 and a half. Let's just say it's 19 times 5. That's 95. I want to risk $300. So that's 3 contracts times 5 accounts. That's 15 contracts. All right, so for this double break, we have the New York VWAP. I thought it was a Hive Day VWAP. I guess they're the same. They're overlapping right now. And we have the opening range. We already double broke the opening range down here right after it was set. And we're actually doing a VWAP bounce now from that New York VWAP. So interesting to see. Interesting to see. Oh, look, we just tested that PDM again. So I actually could have longed that again, I think, after having moved away from it enough. But I missed that first test. There we go. Locking in another $200. I'm out. Guys, this is very volatile right now. Very, very volatile. Oh, okay, I got another 120. All right, so I took the level a few times. I'm going to try one more time. Otherwise, I'm going to give back all my profits I just made on those two. And we give it back. We give it back. But it's still, it's not looking that bad. Okay, hold on, let's see. Let's see. Maybe we come down a little bit more. Okay, right there. I'm pretty much trying to YOLO these accounts, but I'm not risking the full drawdown at once or anything like that. Oh, come on. I just had 200 on it. I didn't close. So this is just my level here, PDM, and we're breaking below it. Might take the stop loss second time on it. Yeah, it's not looking right. Okay. Well, we gave back that one. If we were up 800, we gave it all back in 2 full losses. So I was risking 500 earlier, but I just dropped it down to 400 because it's way more volatile now, and we're below the previous day low. We do have the opening range low down here, so we'll see. Let's see if we can get back above the PDM. Otherwise, guys, I'm looking for the double break in my FundedNext accounts. Let's see if we can get back over this PDM. But see, that's why I feel like I should only take the levels like once, unless we get a full break and retest, then take it again. So after I took that one 3 times, or I took it twice, 2 wins, and then I took it 2 more times and 2 losses. So I'm totally willing though to figure it out with these accounts, right? They're super cheap right now. And so that's why I'm using Apex accounts to practice this. But I think the main thing I got to do is only try to trade each level like once per test. Once per test. And so this long, if we get the double break here, it's going to actually be better as it comes down right now because we didn't really have good risk to reward. And so what's the ATR now on the 30-minute? It's like way higher now. Oh, 16. Okay. It's not as much higher than I thought. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get the double break. I don't really like it as much with the way we rejected the VWAP before. Look, we had closed above it and rejected it. But I'm going to try to take it very systematically. So if we get it, we get it. If we don't, we don't. But if we get it, I want to try to take it. See, now we just broke, retesting the previous day mid and coming back down. So the amount of times we've chopped this level is pretty crazy. There we go. Okay, I added on that one. I did 386 on that one. 386. So rebroke that previous day mid, and it looked clean that time, even though I just said I should probably only take it a few times. So I lost it on this account, and then I made it back. So I took it now like 6 times at that same level, same account, right? And meanwhile, if I probably held it with a looser stop loss, it would have probably passed the account. Look at that. So right there, all on the same level. So I had an initial loss and then a win, and then 2 losses here, but 3 wins now. So back up to 1800 pretty much. I mean, sorry, 1200. So it's kind of crazy. But that's why I bought these accounts. I want to have some fun. So meanwhile, I'm going to wait for the 1 minute close here. I should probably lock in. Maybe I should even turn those accounts off for a minute before I sweat. Could we see Friday sell off? This market just switched 180 degrees. Yeah, to be honest, I'm not really liking the price action. That's why I got these Apex evals, but also just knowing where I'm at right now, like I feel burnt out. So I'm just trying to be self-aware around that. We are holding that previous day mid. I saw some software, something besides your Excel sheet. What journal app do you use? Oh, I use Gainway. So I'm going to try to get it so I can start sharing Gainway, guys, because I've been beta testing it and I'm trying to encourage them. We're going to try to launch. So I think it's ready to be launched. And so I'm talking to the team and we're going to try to figure it out because I really enjoy it. Okay, I'm kind of tempted to take this mid again. If it fails this time, though, there's probably no hope. Okay, I took it for 232. So here, I'll just share this. Man, my hotkeys. Oh, there they go. They're working now. All right, so let's scalp this account, guys. I'm kind of interested now to see if I can hold this long, that we're back above that PDM. Let's see if I can get a little pullback here. NQ is probably the better one right now. NQ is above those 5-minute EMAs while ES is still below. Man, I didn't get the entry I wanted on that. Oh, man. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. 573. I want it to risk 400, but let's see if we can get this $200. Man, see that? That's the entry I want right there. Come on. Let's see. Yeah, NQ's looking a little better. NQ's looking a little better here. I want to see us break these EMAs on ES. No dice. Last shot. Okay, come on. New 5-minute candle. Last one closed slightly bullish. Let's see if we can get it. Just going to try to scalp it. Here we go. I should probably just do one mini for this type of scalping. Oh yeah, after this trade, let's switch to minis. And we'll just risk 500 per trade, or we'll try to risk 500 per trade. But yeah, it's a little tight right now. The ATR is kind of loose, so maybe I do need to stay in micros. Okay, this isn't working out. I'm just going to cut it. Oh, it's not letting me cut it. There we go. Okay, I'm out. I just gave back my profits. I'm only down 65. So I'm going to try this again here, though. Let's see if we can get it again. Right there. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to close that down here. There we go. 200, 300, 400. There we go. Boom. Okay, 400. So we're up 360 now. I'm going to wait for the next trade. And there it goes. That's okay. So I'm just scalping these Apex accounts, guys. I'm having fun. And we might get this double break. We got 43 seconds. I got to lock in now. Let's go back to the other chart. And I'm just looking at the order flow on that. That's what I'm trying to practice. So trying to trade the TPO chart. $12 seconds, guys. It's kind of scary long. 20 points, 15 micros in my FundedNext. Let's do it. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that is it. I don't know why it didn't work. Guys, it didn't work. Manage groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, MES. Guys, I'm getting order rejected on these. Oh, my account wasn't selected. Dang it. No, I didn't select the group. I didn't select the group. I'm just going to buy anyways. Nope, it's still not working. I have no clue why these accounts aren't trading. Order rejected all the way around. Huh. Maybe it's because I held through the news yesterday. Huh. That sucks. I just bought these 5 accounts. Dude. Man, I wonder why that didn't work. Ay, ay, ay. It says they're active, not breached. So I'm just taking it in this one Apex account instead. Double break. Double break long, take it in the Apex. Just because I had it up, I had it ready to go. All right, well, I'm going to document this trade. It is 1010. Nice, lucky number. Guys, why is my FundedNext order getting order rejected? It says the rules page doesn't exist. I'm going to turn off the copy trader real quick and see if it's going to work with just one micro. Nope, all orders reject it. All the orders getting rejected, guys. It might not be my day to trade today. Dang. It might just not be my day. That's why I bought these Apex accounts. I'll tell you what. I want to check my email too in case they sent me an email. I'm going to try to find it. No emails from them. They just don't work. I'm in queue number 705. So I bet there's a bunch. I bet it's not working for anybody. I bet it's a system-wide error. All right, I'm gonna let me double check this 1 minute chart to make sure we're locked in here. FundedNext has crazy rules, really? See, I thought the rules were simple. Okay, so what's my stop supposed to be at? 53, 70, sorry, 75, 34. Does FundedNext have crazy rules? I thought it was good to go on FundedNext. My accounts are active. Trading rules and guidelines page does not exist. All right, so I'm in the FAQ. Okay, so I'm just going to search news trading because I didn't mean to, but I held my accounts to FOMC yesterday. Oh, but that wasn't in my FundedNext accounts, actually. That was only my Tradeify. Huh, so I have no reason why this would be happening. So I'm guessing it's just a glitch. I'm guessing it's just a glitch. And that's probably why there's 705 people in the queue. Okay, so yeah, we're testing that initial balance low without quite moving it down more. We still have 15 minutes for the initial balance. So here's my trade I'm holding right now. I'm gonna, I have it here. Hold up, I'm on stream. Hold on a second. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Hold on. Let me put on a pause screen or something here. I'll just be right back. I'm in this trade, though, so I got to be back quick. All right, we're back. We back, baby. Okay, so FundedNext is probably just down. Your current position Q is 705. That's how you know. That's how you know it's a system-wide error. So guys, I scalped a bunch in here, but if I had just waited for my 30-minute setups, which is just, so I'm going to go over it. Someone in chat asked here. So take a 30-minute candle, stop loss below, entry above it with a market stop entry. When it flips the candle, that's why I call it 30-minute flip. And then I just target at least a 0.5R and I try to chase the runner up. So that's my strategy. And it's really simple. So I could have, the two places, so I did take this short here and we took a banger trade on the stream earlier. And then I took a long down here and took a banger trade. So, but this long, I didn't take it as the flip. I took it from here and then I took it from here again. So I was scalping it. So here we go, guys. I'm about to hit my 0.5R. So I am going to follow my rules and just try to trail it up here when you get that 0.5R. My full target is, let me see again. Where's my target? Such a big opening range, guys. Such a big opening range. So yeah, I will take the base hit. There you go. Almost. I'm gonna let it go, let it play out. Yo, chat was driving me crazy this morning. I felt so bad that I was like negative, but man, sometimes these people, it's like I didn't know how to block people from X. So this dude was just jabbering and I just couldn't handle it. I'm like, dude, get out of here, bro. It's so crazy. He's like, I'm mates with Ray Dalio. You're not as good as me. I'm like, cool, man. You're pissing me off though. Yeah, dude. It's hard. I mean, it doesn't bother me until it does, you know. And it's funny though, because the more it happens, like the better I get at like not having it affect me. But then until it does, you know, it doesn't until it does. Yeah, you gotta ignore them, especially at the job. Yeah, I know, right? I gotta pretend like, what if the CEO is watching right now or something? But man, there's like that guy in particular was just triggering me, I guess. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm out. I just took it for the scalp, guys. I don't have the capital right now. Do you do coding and develop stuff, Luna? No, I don't. I mean, I'll do vibe coding. So I'm out on that double break, guys. I just took it for the scalp because my brain doesn't work today, and that's quite all right. I took it for my 0.5R. At least I tried to. There you go. It's still going too. I got terrible fills, but it's okay. I'm going to take my base hit and walk away. I still made 167 on it, so whatever. It was almost my half. So that was a long scalp. That was a double break. And did it go to the full target? We don't know yet. Oh, man. I'm gonna like go get a massage or something today. Only 2 losses so far, guys, with the VWAP setup. I would be up today. I had my first loss, but that loss I didn't follow my strat perfectly. Lesson learned. The next trade I entered was a W, but not all the contracts got filled. Annoying. Yeah, it seems like that's how it works. It's like it's going to test us. It's like the trading gods will test you. Now you're going to follow your plan perfectly, and you're going to wish you did it the other way. Took another W, looking for one more trade, down 70 on the day, but not bad at all. Feeling good. Watch the overhead rejection. Yeah, look at that. Actually, right from NY. IB mid and kind of these similar tops up here. PG's calling it play by play. You should have been green even with your first loss. Yeah, if that one had filled. Yep. And that's just always going to happen. So it's like we have to figure out how to not let it affect us. Yeah, watching this mid for rejection here. Back down to the VWAP. Yeah, look at that rejection there. Good call, PG. We're down below that VWAP too. So guys, look at my scalp. That was the perfect cover for now. Look at that. Yeah, so I followed my rules for the 0.5R scalp. I kind of want to try to pass an account. So maybe I should try to YOLO one of these, or I'll just switch. I'm going to switch it up here, and we're going to go to $500 risk. Or maybe I'll just do the full 1,000 and try to pass it in 2 trades. Okay, so right now with the ATR so big, I'm going to drop this down to 800. All right, I'll do 700. Previous day mid right here. I'm going to buy it. A little reaction there. See if we can get back to this VWAP. I still could have gotten a better fill if I used a limit order, guys. I would already have my $200 target if I used a limit. Okay, I don't like this. I'm going to try to just lock it in. Let's see. Can we get over this wick of this previous candle? There we go. Yeah, I'll just take it. All right, I'm doing these little scalps and try to get a little build up that drawdown. This was not a high confluence trade, so I'm taking the scalp, right? If it was one of my setups, I'm hoping to YOLO it with that full $1,000. I did 700 risk. Oh, I'm not even showing it, guys. I thought I was showing that. Here we go. So here's that scalp I just did. I did a $700 risk because I thought I was gonna have to loosen my stop more, and it actually wasn't true on that one. So I just have it set right now to a 10-point stop loss, 20-point target. But just taking those little base hits. But I do want to try to find a good trade to YOLO one of these and try to get them past. So we're testing that VWAP again. Oh, we actually kind of closed above VWAP. I wanted to stay in it. I'm going to stay in it. 1 minute close above VWAP. We got a little divergence happening. Oh yeah, we do. Big divergence, not even a little one. Wow, huge divergence to the from the top side. Here, you can see it on Atos really easily. So right here, look at this. If I move my duder, look at those highs here, and look at these highs here. Huge divergence. So I'm going to try to hold this though. I'm taking it again as that VWAP trade. We had a 1 minute close back above. So my stop loss should be at 73.53. Oh, no, sorry, I said it wrong. 73.35. So just below these lows. So we'll see what we get here. I like this big wick here. Let's see if we can hold. We got some sellers underwater right now on NQ. And if we could pop the 65. Here we go. Let's rip it. Here we go. We're back in that previous 5 minute. Okay, a little bit of sellers there. I think we got room up to 57. I want to see how we react there. I'm struggling a little bit. I might just cut this one. I'm looking for momentum on these scalps. Looking for some momentum. Let's see if we can get 60. I think we can get 60 now. Let's get it. We're almost there. Can we test these 60? We almost got 57, my level that I wanted originally. But these orders moved up, so now I think 60. Looking at that. Okay, we're still holding. We got some more sellers underwater right here on that little wick down on the new 5 minute candle. And can we hold them though? I'm just gonna get out. Okay, I'm out. Out at break even on that one. Let's see what we retest 550. Okay, I'm gonna get back in on it. I'm gonna get back in on it. Oh, now okay, they pulled the orders down even more. So it's dropping below. Now it's back at 57. So yeah, this is kind of wishy-washy from what I'm looking at right now. So, but this double break is back in play here. Well, we're back under it now. So let's see if we can get back up. Oh, here we go. We're going to flip this 5 minute candle. I'm just taking that little scalp here. So I stacked 227 though. And yeah, we'll chill. I could have probably gotten 100 that first time, and then it would have been 200. 200 plus this one down here. So that would be 400. Yeah, eyeball mid. Oh yeah, we're going back up to it right now. Yep, right here, back to mid. Yeah. See, I could have targeted mid, but I still got my trade, so I don't care. Up 227. Instead of looking for more points, you scale up more. I see. I'm not sure what you mean. So, and right now, what I'm doing is I am practicing scalping, right? I was practicing scalping with my key levels. That one, I scalped this break, this VWAP break, double break that I already took once. So I just rescalped it. When this candle closed above, I took it. But then when we reject it right here, I actually cut it at break even, watching the order flow, and then I added it back on. So I was using the same sizing for each trade. Well, I was trying to risk that one. I was risking 700, but it was because I knew I was going to tighten my stop loss. So I was trying to risk 500. So I have $1,000 daily drawdown on these accounts. So I was thinking 2 trades of 500, 2 losses in a row, and I'm done with the account for now. No, I'm only sizing based on where my stop loss should be. So I'm trying to risk a flat amount for each trade idea. So like right here, my stop loss was down here, 20 points. So that's how I was trying to size based on that. It's 18 and 3/4 points. But then on this next entry I took was right here. Yeah, it would have been a slightly bigger, almost 20 points. Yeah, 20 points. Depending where I got filled. So the full TP would be up here. But I'm practicing scalping. My idea with these Apex accounts is to try to scalp the order flow and let go into it. There's going to be winners and losers. I mean, there's going to be a lot of both winners and losers, especially when I'm taking this many trades. I won't hide it from you guys. Oops, where is it? Here it is. So I'm just practicing. These are the cheap 5-packs from Apex, code Luna. But I'm just practicing, taking out my frustration on the market. I did have a few really good trades, and this one might end up being a good trade, the idea-wise. But no, the first execution of this was solid, guys. This double break here was right here. You're up 185 on the day. Let's go, Jabble. Dude, you're killing it, bro. You're up 1,600. Let's go. 900 more to pass. Don't think about that target, though. Just take good trades. Take good trades. Manage your risk. Oh, wait. Where's my face? Guys, we got a good short coming out. I recorded myself sending all of my accounts during the FOMC candle yesterday. Nice. I'm looking at your trades, Jabble, that you sent me. I see those little scalps, kind of like what I'm doing right now. And you got your journal, so keep journaling, keep journaling, keep journaling. In case one day you need to look back and be like, oh, what happened? I got off track. I was doing so well. And then you can look back and see what's going on. Joe, I think that's the one. Bro, we gotta publish it right now, dude. Oh my god, dude. We gotta publish it so that we can share it on YouTube right now. Dude, that's hilarious. Do you need help? You could post, right, on YouTube and Instagram. You got the descriptions and everything. Dude, that is so funny. I mean, it shouldn't be funny to me because those were my accounts. Oh no, it's sad, guys. Okay, we're gonna get this short right now. I think I am gonna stream tomorrow. I'll probably just keep it short and sweet. Bro, I'm dying right now though, for real. I'm dying right now. Dude, that's so funny. Man, I'm kind of liking these longs. All right, so we're back to that mid, right? Are we gonna keep rejecting it, or are we gonna go back over? All right, so we're over it now. Kind of like the longs. Dude, we're gonna get this short out. Okay, so Lunamod's gonna post it, and he'll post a link in chat. It's so funny. It's pretty funny. Here you go. So I'm back in that long. I really want to just try to pass some of these accounts too and like let the trade play out. But the whole idea is to practice scalping, locking in these hits and being able to recycle it. So if it dips, I just get back in is the idea. And just to practice being comfortable with it and start stacking on these evals. Here we go. I'm going to take my base hits, I guess, because I guess that's just where I'm at right now. Part of me wants to hold trades, but these trades aren't my normal trades right now, so it's harder to hold them, I guess. So I'm not even going to be a dick for a tick. We're just going to take it. Okay, 150. Yeah, there it goes, but that's okay. So if it comes back down, I'm just going to get back in and keep watching this order flow. We're above that PDM. Dude, we're gonna get this short out. It's gonna be hilarious. Lucid has a 5-second rule. Well, so a lot of firms have like a 10-second rule. Oh yeah, see, there it goes. I was like, I'm gonna hold this one. I'm like, I can't hold. I'm gonna hold it. I can't hold. Yeah, a lot of firms have a 10-second rule. So same thing, but 10 seconds, like Top 1 Futures and Tradeify, same thing. 10-second rule. I'm gonna still stream tomorrow, I think. So guys, here's my current situation. Yeah, guys, just you wait for this short. It's pretty funny. I mean, it's just me getting totally cooked yesterday. Totally cooked. I think we have a giveaway today. Are we just gonna do we could just do tomorrow for the Lucid giveaway. Lucid giveaway tomorrow. You guys, watch vlog 5 to get a chance to join that giveaway. Guys, dude, I'm sorry to hear that, Axel. That you can't win in the Philippines. That's annoying. That sucks. So we could give it. Let's do that account again then. That was for the Top 1 Futures where we. That was for the. The comment on the short, right? So should we pull that again? Or should we just do another giveaway for everyone who's on stream right now? Even though we only have 6 people. Yeah, what up, Brick? Brick's like, we should do a giveaway with only 6 people for sure. Well, Axel's here, so it's his account, kind of. So you're a people. You're one of 6. It looks like we got 3 of 6 right here. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. We'll do that giveaway. Yes, I'm just chilling too today. I'm pretty burnt out. I'm so excited for a long weekend. Oh my god, I get to sleep tonight. And then I'm gonna be in London. But I do have an overnight flight. Oh. I have an overnight flight. But the cool thing is I'm already on London time. So I don't have to worry. Oh yeah, here, we got that new short. But Brick, you were there for the live short. Maybe we should just do... I'm trying to pick a title right now. Maybe we should do like... Oh, you already posted it? Okay. I was gonna say, maybe we should do bro really entered a trade on FOMC day. Maybe that's the title. Top One Futures TV in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I'm kind of having fun today. I'm treating it like a F It Friday type of vibe, like Full Port Friday. That's what F stands for, Full Port. So that's kind of what I'm doing. Yeah. But, and we're just chopping sideways now since the New York Open, man. What the heck? Well, really since London, since Asia. We're literally just still going sideways. Top One Futures TV. So how do we get involved with that? New channel. Is this a new channel? Who dis? Okay, I just see Top One Futures. I don't see TV. Top One Futures TV. Interesting. Yo, Jesus, what's up? What's up? Ignite, built to blow. Dude, that's hilarious. Oh my god. The Ignite is just 20. It's a 15% consistency. Oh. Other than that, I think the rules are fine on it. I mean, I I haven't traded any top ones for a second because I blew my last set during trading them during London sesh. But I would do the regular instant funded top one futures accounts, the 50Ks though, because you can get a bigger payout. With 550Ks, you can get like a $12,500 payout. You're done for the day. Let's go. How was your eval trading, Luna? Not letting chat be part of it today. Yeah, dude. I was so pissed this morning. I'm not going to lie. Here's how it's going. It's going all right. 3 max loss limits. Dude, that guy was driving me crazy. He was like bipolar or something though. So I actually feel bad because like, remember he was all like, oh man, I'm so sorry, blah, blah, blah. He was like putting white flag emoji. And I was just ignoring him. And then like 20 minutes later, he was like saying all the weird stuff again. I'm like, bro, get out of here. Dude, I'm just not in the mood for it right now. I'm just not in the mood. Seriously. Get a life. He's like, I'm a 60-year-old alcoholic. I'm like, okay, totally makes sense, dude. Go get it. And you're on here talking to me about how you know Ray Dalio and you're such a good trader. Like, I'm sure Ray Dalio would love you using him like that and to try to look good in a chat where you're making yourself look terrible. And obviously we don't care. We don't even believe that you know Ray Dalio. Like maybe you're in the same room with him one time ever. Luna, did you try MFFU? No, MFU, not me. You're gonna say, I can't believe you'd say that to me. MFU? No, I've never tried. I haven't traded them. I have traded a long time ago, but I haven't traded them in forever. All right, guys, the new short. Dude, Sir Lunchalot, I was trying so hard to pull it back together because I was so excited to have Chris on, and I just felt like my energy was anything but good. So, guys, the new short is out. We can have a watch party, guys. New short is out. Oh, I'm tired. I'm ready for a break, guys. Bro really entered a trade on FOMC day. All right, that's the short. I didn't do it live, but I recorded it. It was actually all my accounts. It's the crazy thing. It was all my fundits and my live. My face at the end though, I'm like, oh no. Oh shoot, my class. Wait, what? Oh. Class is early today. Yeah, guys, I guess I'm gonna get off. We got the let's re-roll that giveaway, guys. I appreciate the few of you that are here. Let's re-roll the giveaway. So guys, Lunamon, can you drop a form? I think we can sweep 94. Yeah, drop the form in YouTube chat so we get the emails and everything. Okay, so we need the country, email, and name, and then that way we can just send it straight to my rep. Country, email, name. And we are going to add you to the email list if you fill out the form. So we have to have that disclaimer in the form to say that you permit us to add you to the email list. That trade. I don't know. It seems weird to laugh at my own bad trade. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway for everyone in chat here. You and Dandy were just silent though. You guys didn't say anything for a while. You just like let me laugh for a while to myself. It's funny. Dude. Yeah, we are coming back down here. We just turned around a little bit on this 5. My cover looks pretty good now, right? In hindsight. All right, guys, form is live here. We're going to pull that giveaway right now. And let's tag in the Discords. Jabble, you're making me proud with these stats. You're making me proud. I'm gonna show the world. Look at that, guys. Jab will just start trading. Let's get that money, boy. Guys, W's in the chat for Jabble. Jab-a-lot. Jabble's short for Jab-a-lot, I think. Yeah, green, green, green after some red, red, red. That's me today. I had red, 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 now green, green, green. Right? But I'm rotating accounts, so. I'm kind of liking the short. But it's different vibe from ES and NQ. Okay, I'm going to take it. Yeah, I sized up a little bit. I was trying to risk 500. The problem here is that NQ still looks good, but ES looks like it's kind of rolling over to me. I'm practicing the order flow. I don't have a key level here, though, so I'm not doing the key level. I bought these accounts to trade them today. I guess I could trade them tonight, too. But it'd be really fun to try to pass one of these. Oh, let's see. I might even, I might just close this out. I'm out. I like the long when we're breaking down from these lows. I did like this long, but I was looking at us rejecting here on the TPO chart. But I'm out. And I'm gonna go the opposite way. Oh, hold on. Let's do. All right, there we go. Here we go. Okay. Okay, I felt like because that was like a point of decision, I felt like watching this TPO chart that NQ was breaking out, NQ was staying strong. So I'm going to just try to take it long towards this initial balance high. And I'll just keep my stop loss below this wick. We're above these EMAs. We're above the point of control. We're above NYIB mid. So I'm going to try to hold this. NQ broke out here. ESO is actually still struggling. So if this is just a divergence and we get back down, I'm going to have to take this L. I could fit a little bit more on this entry, actually. So hold on. Let's see what we can do here. 5 more. 23. Yeah, I'm going to try to close. I'm going to try to trade 5 more here. Yeah. All right, so here we go. I'm trying to risk 500. So yeah, there we go. Close. 526 or something. I could have waited for that breakout of this previous wick high, but I'm just trying to base off the TPO chart and book map, trying to practice order flow. I definitely think we can get up here to 570. Let's see what happens. It's a little heavy at 570. I prefer top one daily account. Yeah, I've been wanting to trade those ones. I haven't really done it yet. Yeah, bro, ES is shite. It is. It really is. All of it is to me right now. Guys, now we're going to break this structure again. So what I was looking at here is this TPO chart. It's kind of a pain in the butt to show it right now. I'm not in the mood to change all my settings. Oh, here, I can show it. Actually, it's not right here. So this is the area I'd want it to be long above these sellers here. And so now we're back below. So I'm going to take my stop, but so I might as well just close it, I think. But I feel like I might as well close it. Guys, oh, come on. I'm trying to save a little bit on this because I don't like now that we're trading below. Oh, well. I'll take the stop. All right, back down. So let's try it again. So scalping. So here's what I'm looking at here, but it's just this area now is getting chopped around on. Back above IB mid, guys. So now it's back in. I'm going to do it. One more try. One more try. So now this one's tighter stop. Before I was keeping my stop down here. But it's because this is like that line in the sand. I want us to stay above this New York IB mid. We just tested it a few times. I could keep my stop like right here, 55. But that's right where it is. I'll give it that one more tick. Yeah, so if I get stopped out of this one, guys, I'll probably just lock it up here. We got the giveaway, so I'm going to pull the giveaway. Yeah. Guys, did everyone fill out the form for the giveaway? If you didn't do it, here it is again, guys. Fill out the form. We're going to do a giveaway right now. And I'm just having fun scalping, guys. And this account I'm about to add to it in a negative way. But, you know, whatever. Not bad, especially for how I've been doing it, guys. Just really, really not caring at all. Not that I recommend doing that, but it's my money. So, guys, we're going to run this giveaway. I'm not touching my other accounts. So this is a way of me to keep myself out from touching my other accounts. Look at this chop, guys. It's crazy. Nothing for me to do here. This was my best trade of the session. And I bought this down here. So my original analysis was that this is a range and I should trade it as such, as a D-shaped volume profile, which would mean shorting from these highs for the failed auction. But I just kind of was... it's really NQ I was liking here as we held above New York IB mid. But I took it on ES. All right, doesn't look like we're gonna get it back on this one, but let's see. Make it all back in one trade. All right, guys, we're gonna pull the Ludamont, can you pull the entries for the giveaway, and we're gonna run it. We'll just use. I don't want to show the emails though, so just do the YouTube names. All right, we're out, guys. We're out. Another one cooked. Well, not cooked. It's just a daily loss. So I'm gonna rotate. What do we got left? We got 2, 3, 6. So it's a proper full port Friday here. So yeah, now we're failing that IB mid again. So shoot. Oh. Guys, I'm so happy to get a long weekend. I am going to be flying though, so it's going to be a little bit. I'm going to fly overnight. So I'll probably be really tired. All right, guys, let's run it. Here we go. Dude, this chart right now is making me want to get back in it and then stop and get back in it and then stop. So I'm just gonna stay out and let's run the giveaway. All right, guys, we're gonna do it. 22 entries, 2 minutes. Let's run it. Yeah, not Friday yet, but the market's not open tomorrow, so. If you filled out the form, you're there. Okay? If you filled out the form, you're there. If you didn't fill out the form, you're not there. And if you fill out the form wrong, then I also can't help you. Disco biscuits. You missed it. It was after we already put the names in. You filled it, but you're late. Here we go. Oh, from the back, struggler. Let's go. Does top one futures work in your country? Guys, we are getting that failed auction, man. I should have been just shorting this. I should have just been shorting that. And my coach just said too short. Guys, NQ would have been cleaner to trade this today, I think. I think NQ, but like right here on this push, we made more. We went up higher on NQ. Yeah, you did the slingshot. Yeah, you're good with top one futures. All right, because that's the one we got. So Lunamod will send me the info from the forum for you. And that's gonna be it, guys. I'm out. I'm burnt out. So I had some fun. I let it out in the charts here, and yeah, not much else to write home about. Coach just said, I picked the wrong week to try to read order flow because it just sucks today. All right, guys. Peace out, y'all. Good luck the rest of the day, guys. Trade safe, and I will see you soon. Thanks for the support, guys. I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll just pop in here. So let's go. See ya.
Every tick is a voice. Every candle, a question. The market is an auction, and only the patient find the truth.
It's the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game. This the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game.
Market is memory, anchored in pain. Levels get tested, patterns remain. Greed says double up, fear says quit. Patience whispers, wait, that's the voice I commit. Every loss is tuition, every drawdown a class. Every journal line written makes the knowledge last. No chase, no tilt, no revenge on the tape. I'm the product of the process, there's no escape.
It's the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game. This the auction, fear in the crowd. Price moves loud when the orders come down. Balance to imbalance, flow to the flame. Discipline the weapon, this ain't no game.
Value builds slow where the orders agree. High volume nodes mark the path I see. Excess means turning, rejection in play. Auction finds fair price, then it walks away. RB forms the map, the breakout's the test. Failed auction calls bluff, separates the best. Volume is the language, context the key. Price is the story, I trade what I see.
Balance, excess.